Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yarimughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide mega bundle of Instagram story templates. Here you see we have many templates. You can edit any template. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. If you want to replace the shape or color of shape, simply go to layer and then double click here and then change the color according to your own choice. And you can edit any layer. If you want to replace text, simply go to this layer and then replace the text. You can edit any template according to your own choice. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.